Here's a piece of business advice that's painfully obvious once you know it. Have you heard of the Pareto principle? It's the 80-20 rule. It simply means that 20% of your inputs generate 80% of your outputs, or 80% of the outcomes come from 20% of the effort that you put in to get the result. So when it comes from TikTok, I've written scripts, I've used auto cues, I've used animations, I've engaged video editors. Yet at this point in time, we're generating 30 leads for every 1,000 followers we have, which is huge. I think we've got about 4,000 followers, so we're getting 120 leads every month for those 4,000 followers. 30 leads for every 1,000 followers per month. How are we doing that? What is our 20%? Well, it comes down to three things. And the third thing is the most important. The first is our content rhythm framework. So what I do is I just follow a formula. Monday, bust a myth. Tuesday, give a gift. Wednesday, tell a story. Thursday, reveal a tactic. Friday, call to action. And I do it again and again and again. Take a screen grab of the screen right now or save this video. Number two, the second thing that we do is that we have a lead capture gateway. That's called an off-ramp. So if you click the link in my bio, you'll see that. There's a landing page that converts about 30% of visitors to that page, but we have a mechanism to get our fans and followers off social media. So number one, content rhythm. Number two, lead capture gateway. What's the third factor that generates all these leads despite the fact that we don't have mountains and mountains of followers? Are you ready? Consistency. It's not obsessing over the script. It's not using fancy graphics. It's not engaging video editors. It's following a rhythm, making sure we have an off-ramp, and doing it every day, 5 days a week. It takes me 10 minutes to record a video, 10 minutes to edit a video. I usually do it on the way to go get lunch. But if I do that 5 days a week, I get 30 leads for every 1,000 followers I have on TikTok. And my followers keep going up and up, despite the fact that I record fairly unpolished, rambling videos just like this one. So if you want to get more leads from TikTok, if you're using social media as a business tool generally, it's all about knowing what it is that you're going to talk about, content rhythm, having an off-ramp, because your goal when using social media is to get your future customers and clients off social media. And guess what? It is consistency.